Yeah, so maybe we want to now run the game. And for running the game, because we need to do this loop to loop through those numbers. And then okay, so yes, we need to run the game, and the game is looping through these numbers, and every time we call one of those numbers, we need to check the board, and we need functions for that, but that's later. So first we do the game loop. Do game loop equals 1 to, how did we call the read of our things? All numbers. All numbers dot game loop. Let's just see if that loop's working. We should get just this list of things if we run it. So let's see. Quickly pull back. Improper text file. What? The what? Is all numbers dot zero not parsed? It is. Hello, Tracy. What is this? All the time. This is definitely something weird. Oh, maybe it's this weirdness. Maybe it's that weirdness. What? And let's see. Take it away. Save. Save. Right. Do. All numbers dot zero equals num count. We did check this earlier, didn't we? Save, execute. I think this is just a stupid setup of that loop. Get rid of this here. Put it in the start of our loop. And just initialize rest here with off we go. Because that's going to get chopped out by that, and then it will go. That kind of looks right, I think. Not sure. Execute. Scroll down. Let's check it with here. 7, 4, 9, 5, 11, 17, 26, 1. That's good. And then maybe print it here. Oh no, because we have that at the bottom. So we now, I think we now trust this. I think. And here at the end, we're just gonna do that again and run it. Now it should end in 1 and not in, what was it, because it ended at 26 the last time, and now we need to make sure we grab that 1. Yeah, so we have our numbers. So then, yeah, this is where we continue later. Here we now have to now check all boards and see if we've a winner. scoring just called. We'll call it that. Just called equals all numbers dot gl. We make that here and we say number equals just called. And then here we have to loop all the boards. So do b is 1, 2, what is our model board? Dot 0. This is where our functions come. This is the loop. And this is just say board b, board b. You can't put that b behind the quotes or it will turn it into binary. Checking. And then let's see, checking, and then over here we do the function calls to check my stuff. Yeah. If that's good, it's good. Yeah, that's good. We can continue from here later. Yeah. Okay, but before we can continue this, we need to add those columns to the board lines. So that goes in here. Probably that's related to our submarine diagnostic check where we need to read like every first, second, third, whatever from those lines and construct the column. Or we can just make, maybe we can make a function to do check board. Parse arg board num. No. Bnum. Let's make it short. No. Handy, not bnum. So this will check if board bnum has all from a line in called numbers or in the columns. So lines first. What we do that we have our board and we need to first go through the lines, and while we go through the lines we form the columns. So calls dot, maybe make sure it's empty, so drop calls, they're all 0, do bb equals 1, 2, board dot bnum, so which board, and then all lines, from board, which is only rows, and it's, we're not trusting it's 5 by 5, so call count equals board dot bnum dot, should have at least one line, dot 0, that's the amount of entries there. Yeah, that should be good. That should be good. We do have we need to do it on a certain turn. probably, right? Turn 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that how it works? Do we need a comma there in parse arg? I think we do. Weird. We could also skip the entire rows column thing and take it from the numbers on the board, because we need to check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like check them sequentially in portions of 5 and then check them in like 1, 6, 11, 16, 21, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And if we get the consecutive hit, we've scored. Let's try that. That looks neater. First, see if our parsing is good for this syntax. So I'm actually not sure. Say checkboard for board benum on turn. Return. No winner for now. Are there and say W equals checkboard B, comma, game loop. Let's see what that gives us to start with. We get this mumbo jumbo again. Checkboard, parse arg, say checkboard for board. What did we F up again? Maybe this does not need a comma after all. But why? X, save, execute. Routine not found. So what? This is really weird. I want to research what's wrong there. That? Impossible. Where does that happen? Or does my upload break or what? And then it doesn't. What? There's something really weird going on with editing Rex files through VS Code. What? Again, execute. On turn, and the turn doesn't get parsed. So either we try this syntax for a change. Like so. I've never done this way before. But hey, that's how you learn. That works. In GL, is one to all numbers. Number 26. So GL is a value. Oh yeah, and then it needs the comma. You idiot. That's nice. Okay, so we learned something new here. That's good. So I'm going to check the board. And when we check the board, which of course is silly on turn 1, but that doesn't matter. So we have to loop over all turn numbers from all numbers. And then check it, right? So it's do check is 1 to turn. And see if board has a line that has all numbers. And we really don't care which one. So we say do number equals 1 to get all the numbers from the line. So board dot bnum dot line dot, so we get all the lines. Yeah, this is our line iterator. Do make that L. N equals 1 to board bnum dot line dot L dot 0 and number per line iterator number. And what do we do here? So we get the numbers in. Let's have a look. See, we get the numbers in 7. And it has to find that one. And then 4. That one. Oh, just checking line per line. We're doing it the weird way, which is good. So if we read 7, we only get one line. So no success. If we get only 4, we'll just do it again. It's a bit naive, but maybe we should save the state of our boards like they do here. But meh, brute force all the way. Brute force all the way. And we only care about one winner line. We only care about one winner line. Board wins equals 0. So for that line, number, what the hell is this number? I have to flip this around. Line, line. For that line, we're going to check all numbers. Yeah. Do check number index equals 1 to all numbers dot turn. So if we move through the lines, so we're doing this check,